Welcome to the Donnie B channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be talking about the BMR Torque Box reinforcement kit. And what you see laid out here on the bench is everything that comes in the package from BMR. Comes with all the necessary hardware and all the pieces to do both the lower and upper torque box. Now this kit is unique in a way because the upper torque box reinforcements are different than what you see from other manufacturers. The lowers are almost identical. To get started, you need to remove the lower seat cushion from the rear of the car. Okay everyone, I'm sorry about that, but unfortunately I lost all my footage of the installation. Now there are a few things to note on this installation, so please keep watching and I'll explain if you plan on picking up one of these kits what you need to look out for. Just to start off with, I think this kit is really cool. I love how the upper torque box reinforcements kind of tie into each other from both sides of the subframe. I think that is really cool. But here's a couple things you need to look out for. This, unfortunately, is not just a straight bolt-on installation. Now again, the lowers are almost identical to every other manufacturer out there. So that is just going to take a drill bit and also a way to be able to tighten both the plate that goes in the car and the lower torque box reinforcement. That part, no problem. You can have that done probably in about, I don't know, half hour to 45 minutes. The uppers are a different story. And here's the best angle I could get to show where the brackets are located, the ones you need to modify in order to install the upper torque box reinforcements. There is one bracket that is held in with 3 bolts, that is indicated with the red circles here, and then the other holds in the brake line, and that is a bracket that's actually held in with rivets that you need to drill out. You will need to remove both of these brackets in order to install the BMR pieces. Once you install the upper torque box section, you can then modify by cutting or grinding on the original factory brackets to reinstall them back into the car. I highly recommend either removing or loosening your tailpipes and catback exhaust. It makes it so much easier to be able to maneuver inside the upper torque boxes. Alright guys, I do apologize, that's all the usable footage I had for that installation. Now just to put it in perspective, I actually filmed this and installed this BMR kit back in November of last year. So I finally got around to reviewing the footage and most of my files were corrupted. So I do apologize that I didn't have the full installation, but I thought it was worth it to share with you guys what would be involved in the installation of this kit, especially the uppers. Now the lowers are virtually identical to any other lower torque box reinforcements on the market. Simply 4 areas you got to drill, and then it uses the stock lower bolt to just go through the control arm. No big deal. The uppers, again, you have to remove those upper brackets in order to fit that crossbar that ties in both sides of each upper torque box. You do have to remove those 2 brackets and modify them once that crossbar is installed. So just keep that in mind. BMR could have done a little bit better with the instructions to help you guys get prepared for what kind of work is involved with this installation. Again, I'm not ragging on this kit because I actually like it. I think it's pretty unique, and I love that it ties in those upper torque boxes like that. Pretty cool. So that's going to do it for this install slash review, I guess you can say. I do apologize it wasn't a full-blown installation like the original intention was, but sometimes things don't just work out in your favor. So that's going to do it here. If you like my content, please like, please share, and subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.